The Election Commission has launched a massive voter list cleaning drive, a special intensive revision that is shaking the very foundations of Bengal's electoral politics. The early numbers are nothing short of shocking. Already, around 10 lakh suspicious names have been marked for deletion. Out of these, nearly 6.5 lakh belong to people who died long ago, yet their names were still being used to cast votes. For years, these ghost voters lived on paper, but now, finally, they are being erased. Almost every single form has been distributed, an incredible 99.75% coverage, and door-to-door verification is underway. The impact is immediate. Fake voters are vanishing, disappearing from neighborhoods because they know the truth. They will be caught. The fear is visible, the panic undeniable. And everyone can see why the Trinamool Congress is so rattled. Mamata Banerjee has written letter after letter to the Election Commission, desperately trying to halt this process. But the truth is simple, and it cannot be hidden. Dead people and fake voters have been used to commit bogus voting, to steal elections, to twist democracy into a shadow of itself. That era is now facing its end. For the first time in years, Bengal is on the verge of having a truly clean voter list. No more voting in the name of ghosts. No more manipulation through fake identities. This is not just a bureaucratic exercise. It is a turning point for democracy itself. Imagine the power of a fair election, where every vote belongs to a living, breathing citizen, where the people's voice cannot be drowned out by fraud. That is what this drive promises. That is why it matters. This cleansing of the rolls is not just about numbers. It is about restoring faith. It is about giving Bengal a chance to stand tall, to show the world that democracy here is alive, strong, and uncorrupted. Finally, fair elections might actually happen in Bengal. And when that happens, it will not just be a victory for one party or another. It will be a victory for the people, for truth, for justice, for democracy itself. This is huge. This is historic.